Welcome to the deep dive. Today we have one goal for you. We're going to take this incredibly specific piece of hardware, the Aurora Multimedia VPX-TC1-WP2-Pro-W, and show you how it basically solves one of the biggest headaches in AV system design.
It's a really interesting piece of kit.
Right. Our mission is to explain how this wall plate can move pristine, ultra-high quality 4K video over your standard, low bandwidth 1 gig network.
And that's the key, the network you already have.
Okay, let's unpack this. The real engineering challenge here is fitting a fire hose of data through a drinking straw without losing a drop of quality.
Exactly. We're talking about moving 4K at 60 frames per second with full 4.4.4 color depth.
And this is across basic CK5E cabling.
Yep, standard 1G CK5E, and it does it reliably up to 120 meters. That's the first hurdle. But the factor that really defines how useful it is the speed.
Okay.
It achieves what they call zero frame latency. To be precise, it's specified at 1.78 milliseconds.
Wait, let's go back to 4.4.4 for a second. For those who need a quick refresher, why is maintaining that level of color fidelity so crucial?
Well, it just means you're getting pixel for pixel color accuracy. You aren't cutting corners like you do with, say, 4.2.0 compression.
So no weird color banding or artifacts?
None. That full color information is critical for things like detailed graphics, medical imaging. Anywhere, you just can't tolerate errors.
And the only way to squeeze all that into a 1 gig pipe is through their compression.
Right. It's Aurora's own mimic codec technology. It uses a pretty aggressive compression ratio, up to 13:1, to get that near-perfect reproduction.
A 13:1 ratio. I mean, that sounds aggressive. That's usually where you start to see artifacts. So why are they so confident it avoids any visible loss?
It's all in the efficiency of the codec itself. It's just highly optimized to maintain detail where it matters most to the human eye. So the compression is, virtually invisible. And you hit the crucial point before. This isn't just about speed. It also fully supports high dynamic range standards. We're talking HDR10, HDR10 plus rain, even Dolby Vision.
So this technical success, it really brings us to the bigger market picture, doesn't it? This isn't just a widget.
Not at all.
It lets people move away from those huge, expensive, dedicated AV matrix switchers and just use scalable, off-the-shelf Ethernet switches instead.
Which saves a fortune on big projects.
Absolutely. So since we're talking about budgets, let's get into the practical benefits. What about power?
Power efficiency is a massive advantage here. This unit runs on as little as 8 watts. The base is just 6.4 watts.
That's nothing.
It's really not. If you scale that across a big corporate campus, that advertised 13 the power of comparable systems. That translates into real savings on the utility bill.
And the form factor itself, the wall plate.
Super simple integration. It's a 2-gang mount, has dual inputs right there on the wall, one HDMI 2.0B and one of those versatile USB-C ports.
It handles video and data, right?
Video and high-speed data. That USB flexibility is vital. It means it instantly works as a full KVM, so you can control devices remotely. And they even added a dedicated USB port just for cameras.
Perfect for conference rooms and unified communications.
Exactly. And for the integrators, security is just as important as speed. This thing scales with their box version, the VPX-TC1-Pro, for limitless expansion.
And security features.
It's got the full suite of enterprise tools, content encryption with AES-256, network access control like 802.1x, and secure interfaces like HTTPS and SSH.
So that feature set is really targeting those demanding markets. Digital signage, education, corporate, even high-end residential.
For sure. And for government buyers, it's TAA compliant, which is a big deal.
What's fascinating to me here is just that sophisticated balance they've struck. You get true 4K quality, that near-zero latency, and high-grade security all over the infrastructure that's probably already in your walls.
That's the whole point.
So what does this all mean? I think this device really finalizes that convergence of AV and IT networking. High performance without the high cost of bespoke solutions.
I agree. And, that ability to get down to 1.78 milliseconds of latency, it doesn't just mean seamless switching. Well, it fundamentally changes what's possible for highly interactive video walls. Think about it. Any perceptible delay would totally break that user experience, making touch interaction impossible.
Right.
So that near zero latency, it opens up a whole new world of applications. That's something for you to think about.